it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We are outside of Walmart to finish our Ibotta haul for this week so we can complete our Sled bonus. I only need a couple more rebates to get the $3 bonus, and that should unlock the final bonus. So I don't know how many rebates that one's gonna be, but fingers crossed we'll do enough today to hit them both. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button, completely free to subscribe, and I'd love to have you as part of the couponing family. Don't forget the notification bell so when I post new deals or giveaways, you'll be notified and you can take advantage of them as well. I did post my big giveaway for my holiday themed Coach purse yesterday night in my Walgreens haul video. So if you haven't had a chance to check that out, definitely do so. It will be linked below in the description box. And stay tuned, in this video, I'm doing another giveaway. Gonna be giving you guys away some free coupons so you can start off the new year with some great deals and some great savings. So let's go inside and start seeing what we can grab with some amazing Ibotta rebates. The first deal we're gonna do is on the Nivea Intense Heal Lotion. It's $5.12, and you wanna grab this one because of the rebates we're gonna do. We have this $2 printable coupon that was previously available. It's no longer available. So make sure anytime I post some new printables, get them printed soon because you never know when you're gonna be able to use them. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $2 back and to checkout 51 for $1.50 back on the Intense Healing, making it free and a 38-cent moneymaker. Then I'm gonna grab this deal again on the Jergens Original Scent. It's $1.74. We had this $2 printable as well that will work on it, giving us about 26 cents of overage, which is nice. And this is not trial and travel size. There's actually a smaller bottle over in the trial and travel section that's about 97 cents. So this will not work on those because it says it excludes travel and trial. But this one, it will work. I've done it a few times in the past. So let's add this to our cart to lower our out-of-pocket cost. Now we're gonna grab some Simply Color. So these are $9.97, bunch of different colors available. We also have this $4 coupon from our 12/6 Retail Me Not insert. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $3.50 back, making this guy only $2.47. So this deal on Shopkick reset again. Now this time it's not gonna be a moneymaker because they only have the shampoo available. I can't buy the conditioner and that's what I need for the bundle. So I'm just gonna grab one of these Suave Professional conditioners, which are $2.94. Then we are gonna submit both of them to Shopkick for 1,025 kicks back, which is gonna be about $4.80. which is gonna make these guys pretty much completely free, maybe a little bit of overage. I'll have to adjust my math, and it will be updated in the printable breakdown if that's the kind you have to buy. All my links, of course, are below for all of my referral codes for Shopkick, Swagbucks, Ibotta, Fetch, all the different rebate apps that we are gonna be using in today's video. So let's go ahead and grab these, add them to our cart. And last week, I showed you guys this deal for Swagbucks, and I totally forgot to put them in my cart like a weirdo. So I'm gonna do it this week, and I just wanna show it to you again. I'm gonna grab two of these Batiste that are $6.12. Last week, I found $2 off one Peelies. So I'm gonna use two of these, pay $10.24 out of pocket, submit to Swagbucks for 1,000 Swagbucks back, or $10 back, making them just 12 cents each, which I think is an amazing deal. There are also 4 moneymaker deals you can do through Swagbucks online that I posted in this video. So if you haven't checked it out yet, definitely do so. It will be linked below in the description box. Another deal I'm gonna do again is on the hauls. So all of these here are just $1.64 each. Oh, I dropped my coupon. Get over here. Okay, this is what we're gonna use. $1.50 off of 2. Then we're gonna submit it to Ibotta for 75 cents back each. So I got 2 different kinds, the berry and the lemon. Both of them scan that they're working, which is gonna make our final cost on those about 28 cents. Then we're gonna do the Apron deal again because it reset and there was just one left available, which is awesome. I already put it in my cart so I don't forget it. It's $4.98. Then we have this $2 coupon from our 12-13 inserts, I believe. It will be linked in the printable breakdown below for you. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $2 back and Shopkick for 1,025 kicks. That's gonna make our final cost free and over a $3 moneymaker. Perfect time for a paper plate deal. We're gonna grab these deep dish paper plates. Has to be the deep dish ones. They are $3.28. You can print a 75-cent coupon from their website. It is linked as well for you. Then we're gonna submit to Shopkick for 750 kicks back, making our final cost on this about 47 cents. The next deal I was just about to do was the Murphy's oil, but both the Ibotta Rebate and the Shopkick deal literally disappeared while I'm in store. So that's why you always want to make sure that you're checking your apps while you're in store, scanning the products on the app, make sure that the rebates and everything are still available so they don't disappear and I would have wound up paying full price for this guy. This deal also reset, so when you're redoing a deal, if it resets, it will track again towards the bonus. Now, if I were to grab this and do 2 of them, so I would have grabbed 2 of these, that will only count once. But if you do the deal, a few days later, the rebate resets, you can do the deal again and that will count as another rebate towards your bonuses. So just a tip on that. I'm gonna grab the 3-pack, use this $1 off coupon from our 12-13 Retail Me Not. Submit to Ibotta, I have a $1 rebate and a 10-cent rebate attaching, making this only 64 cents for 3 of them, which is awesome. This one is still my favorite deal that has reset. It is the Snuggle Super Care. Has to be the Super Care. This one will not work. They're $3.97. We have a $1 off 1 coupon from our Retail Me Not insert from last weekend. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back. So even without this coupon, that's an amazing deal. With this coupon, it's just 47 cents. So I'm definitely gonna be stocking up on this until it expires. Here's an easy deal that you can do, no coupons required. So I'm gonna grab these Gerber Puffs. They are $1.96. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making them $1.46 each. And when you do the rebate 3 separate times, you're gonna get a 50-cent bonus. This is my second time doing it, so hopefully it'll reset again so I can grab that Gerber bonus. Here's an easy freebie that everyone can do as well. These Access flossers here are just $1.97. They were working for this bonus for $2 back, limit of 3. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these and they're all gonna be completely free. This was glitching a couple weeks ago and it just came back, which is awesome. So always check your accounts if you're getting a good deal. If there's a freebie that you did the previous week, it may reset and you can take advantage of it again. If you don't use any of these products, you can always donate them, give them to your friends and family, anything like that. That way you can at least get your bonuses. This is a moneymaker Shopkick deal. So I did this a couple weeks ago, but it reset and it's giving us more kicks now, which is awesome. So you can either grab this flavor or this flavor. They are $2.28 for the Frutella gummies. Then you're gonna submit to Shopkick, 50 kicks back when you scan it in store, and another 600 kicks when you buy it, which is gonna wind up giving you back $2.60, making your final cost free and a 32-cent moneymaker. So now that we rang up all of our products, we're at $67.51. We're gonna take our coupons and we're going to scan it just like we're scanning products. If it works, it'll come off like this. So let's go ahead and finish everything up, submit our receipts, and go over our totals in the truck. Okay, so to enter the giveaway for $5 worth of free coupons from the couponmarketplace.com, All you have to do is be a current subscriber. If not, definitely hit that red subscribe button. Hit the notification bell as well, so when I post the winner, you will not miss out. Then smash the like button on this video and drop a comment below. Let me know what your favorite moneymaker deal is from the Swagbuck online deal video that I posted yesterday. So excited about those deals. I ordered 3 of the 4 of them, so I can't wait for those to come in. I will post them on my Instagram when they do. There are going to be 5 winners chosen total. 4 of them are going to get a $5 credit, and 1 of you is going to get a $10 credit. So I will be announcing 3 winners on New Year's Eve on my YouTube and 2 winners on my Instagram. So I will be posting for you to enter in my Instagram as well. If you don't follow me there yet, definitely head over, Bree Coupon Queen. So excited to give you guys some free coupons. It is sponsored by thecouponmarketplace.com. So definitely head over there. Use my code BREE2021 anytime you purchase individual coupons. They're 15 cents each, super cheap, and you will get 10% off your entire order for your first order. So definitely another great resource for you guys to use. Good luck to everyone, and stay tuned for the winners. So we're back in from Walmart, and I'm so excited with everything that we got. About $65 worth of products, and our final cost after all the rebates and cash back is free and a $1 moneymaker, which is absolutely amazing. So I want to share with you guys my receipt real quick. Nothing too exciting to share. All the coupons that I used wound up scanning. I didn't have any issues. Didn't have to have the cashier come over at all. So I got all of the products. After coupons, it was $47.90 plus taxes. I did pay that out of pocket. I didn't use Fetch Rewards because I didn't have time to wait for a manager to come over, and it's a whole thing. Nobody has time for that. So, want to go over my totals from the different cashback sites. We submitted to Ibotta, got back $20.22. I'll get back another $3 from finishing the Sled bonus. Then submitted it to Checkout 51 for $1.50 back on the Nivea. Shopkick, I submitted for 3,550 kicks, which is about $14.20. That one takes about, Ibotta just popped up on my screen as I'm saying this. I got back $25.22. So there's an extra $2 bonus from something that I'm not sure about. I'll put it here on the screen, why I got that additional $2. So now it's a $3 moneymaker haul. How exciting. Okay. Then Swagbucks, I submitted, already got back the $10 for the 2 Baptiste. If it has a check mark like you see here, that means they already approved it. It should hit your account pretty quick. If it says it needs time to review, it could take a couple days, 5 days, you never know. If it's been a long time and you haven't gotten your rebates back from any site or any app that you're using, always contact them and see like, hey, what's going on, whatever, and see what they say so they can help you out. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below. And if you haven't checked out the Swagbuck online moneymaker deals, click this video here. And if you're not a current subscriber, I'd love to have you. You can click my face icon here. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.